Hello children, this is class 10th physics. Today we will discuss factors affecting resistance in chapter electricity. In previous session we have discussed Ohm's law and got the relation between current and potential difference and their proportionality constants, that is resistance. Today we will discuss resistance and factors on which resistance depends. Resistance is the obstruction to the flow of current. If resistance is more, then current is less for the same value of potential difference. Factors affecting resistance.
So I am making here one wire. In this wire, the length is L. The width, the cross section area is this. This is indicated by A. Current is flowing in this wire. Okay. So perpendicular to the current, this area is cross section area of this wire. So the first factor on which resistance depends, that is the length. Length of conductor. Length of conductor. The resistance of conductor is directly proportional to the length of the conductor. Second, means what's the meaning of this line? Resistance is directly proportional to the length of the conductor. More the length, more will be the resistance. Okay. Now, area of cross section of conductor. So, this area of cross section, which is denoted by A, it is inversely proportional to resistance. Means more the area of cross section, lesser will be the resistance. By combining these two equations, by combining 1 and 2, we can write R proportional to L upon A. Or we can write R equal to rho L upon A. What is this rho? Rho is the proportionality constant. It is the specific resistance, which is pronounced as rho. It is
Resistivity or specific resistance.
now this rho is different from different wires. Suppose we have taken a two wire, one is of copper and another one is of nickel. Length is same, area of cross section is same. Still the value of rho, what we are finding, it is different.
So rho indicates
The different value for the same length and same cross section area of wire. So we can write here nature of material, which I have discussed, is the value of rho is depend on the nature of the material. Copper and nickel I have given the example. Fourth is temperature, on which, so in the temperature, higher the temperature, higher will be the resistance. Lower the temperature, lower will be the resistance. Now come it, again we are coming to this third equation. If we want to define the rho, we can write here rho R A on N. Can we write this? So rho is the specific resistance. So specific resistance of a material of a conductor is the resistance which is made up of
wire of
that material of unit length and unit area. This is the definition of rho, specific resistance. I am repeating one more time. Specific resistance of a material is the that resistance which is made up of a material of unit length and unit area.
Of cross
So
section.
these are the factors: length of conductor, area of cross section, in which we have defined one specific resistance that is rho, and third one is nature of the material, and the fourth is temperature. Is it clear to you?
Check your knowledge by giving the answers of asked questions. In first question, define resistivity or specific resistance of a material, in which you will give the definition of rho. In second question, how does the resistance of wire vary with its area of cross section? We have written the relation of cross section area with resistivity. In third question, what is the difference between resistance and resistivity? We know the formula rho is equal to Ra upon L. So by using this formula you can give the answer of this question. In question number 4, find the unit of resistivity by using its formula. By putting the unit of length, area of cross section and resistance in the formula of resistivity, you can find the unit of resistivity.